Welcome to the first installment of the Dollar Tree Dinners and Crafts series for 2025. Come along with me at Dollar Tree as I show you how to make tortilla soup for under $10. So welcome back. We are going to put this soup together. So into the pot on medium heat, I'm going to put in my corn. My Dollar Tree did not have canned corn, so this will work just fine. Liquid and all. Now my canned chicken. Again, liquid and all. And tomatoes. Is that a little zhuzh? All right. So next I'm going to add my rinsed and drained black beans. Next I have 2 bouillon cubes. These are chicken bouillon cubes. They came in this packaging. I'm gonna give that a stir. Next I'm gonna add 6 cups of water. Bring this up to a roiling boil. All right, so now that my soup has come to a boil, I will be adding our Spanish rice. All right, so we're gonna cook our Spanish rice for 8 minutes or until the rice is tender. Feel free to give it a taste to make sure that it is fully cooked. Last thing we're gonna add is our cheese sauce. Came in a box like this. Add this and give it a moment to incorporate into the soup, and then it'll be ready to give it a taste. So our soup is done, everything's well incorporated, rice is fully cooked, it's thickened up a little bit since we've added the cheese. So now me and Anna Claire are gonna give it a nice little taste test. We're very hot, be careful. It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It's perfect.
All right. Well, if y'all give this a try, let us know. And we hope you enjoy, and we'll see you back next month for a Dollar Tree dinner and craft. So next month will be craft. Thank y'all.